need to be tough at all times, like this. See what I did there? Now, let's see your mighty strong pirate stance. Arr! You'll be A-plus pirates in no time. I'm glad you're here to listen to my captain ways. I do miss my queen bee, though.
Then let's blast on over to her. I got a hankering for sailing.
Peaches, you and I see eye to eye. She is my ship, after all. Let's go, mateys. Queen Barnacle, my vessel!
Oh, no,
Uh-oh.
Queen Bee, Houston. We have a pirate problem.
Dante's aboard! There's no captain! We've got to catch up to them before someone gets hurt! Know of any other ships?
Ships? No, but I know the best whale to sail the seven seas.
Whee! Hold on! It's gonna be a bumpy ride!
Do the wave! I would, but I'm gonna need both wings to hold on for dear life!
There's Queen Bee! Blimey! A storm is heading our way! You sure about that, Captain Finn? Mrs. Aslas! We need some turbo mega super speed!
You betcha!
Oh, why do you have to make everything so scary?
No! I have to make everything an adventure!
Now for question number 410. Wow! Easy, ship! You're totally bugging! So, like, what do we do about these Mondo rocky waves?
That's a question for Captain Finn.
Anchors away! Like, literally!
Thanks, Mrs. Sanchez! We got it from here!
Yo-ho-ho! And a bottle of krill!
Whoa! Hey, dudes! How'd you get here so quick?
A captain knows how to lead her crew!
Ahoy, Finn! What a relief to see you.
Aye, time to focus, crew. Uh-oh!
Yo-ho, no!
We gotta sail our way out of here before we hit the eye of the storm. Matey?
Right. Here you go, Finn.
That's Captain Finn to you. The ship's stuck!
Now we've really hit rock bottom!
No need to fret. I have a plan. Be my right hand, matey?
Absolutely!
Arr! We'll need to get you up to the crow's nest for a bird's eye view of the problem. Follow my lead.
Looks like the anchor is stuck under a rock over yonder.
All hands on deck! Chip, Toodles, steady the sail. The rest of you, grab that rope and pull!
Aye, aye, Captain Finn.
Alrighty, on 3. 1, 2, 3! Pull, mateys! Keep at it! Almost there! Well done, crew! We did it!
I was totally wrong. Lady dudes can do anything. Sorry I doubted you. You have the coolest moves, oh Captain, my Captain.
Apology accepted, mate. Just because we're not in your books doesn't mean we don't exist. And I got my mighty captain's hat after all, right?
Totes. You know, it turns out you can be millions of years old and still have stuff to learn.
Absolutely.
There are stories to tell that have never been told, though they ought to be spread near and far. When they're writing their books, we get left in the cold, just because of the pirates we are. True, the seas may be rough, but we're weathered and tough as we wait for that wonderful day when we're given our due like the rest of the crew. But I fear that day's oceans away. We're explorers and leaders who all have been robbed. We've contributed more than you know. But the depths of our history all have been swamped, and our treasures are buried below. We've got leagues yet to sail, but if you tell our tale,